Hey chat, Jesse from OpenChat here with another video diving into the features of OpenChat. In this video, we're going to be looking at OpenChat's Bitcoin integration. So OpenChat, because it's built on the internet computer, can use the built-in native Bitcoin handling built on CKBTC. So under the hood, we're using what's called a twin digital pair version of Bitcoin. That is a one-to-one conversion with Bitcoin that allows us to manipulate and move Bitcoin at the speed of ICP, but then you can always export it as native Bitcoin anytime you want. So incredibly powerful, really secure, and really fast. So let's take a quick peek at it. So you can find your Bitcoin inside of your wallet inside of OpenChat. So I don't currently have any Bitcoin, so let's generate a little bit right here. So we're going to do a quick swap. So we're going to swap a little bit of our chat token for some Bitcoin token. So over here, we'll switch here, scroll down to Bitcoin. We want to convert, we'll say 10 chat. We'll get a quote. Swap complete. Close. And now when we take a look, we should have just a little bit of Bitcoin in our wallet, a little bit of Bitcoin dust. So we can send and receive this Bitcoin. You can send this directly to a native Bitcoin address, or you can send it to a CKBTC address inside of the internet computer. So you have total flexibility with both. You can receive Bitcoin here as well, generating a Bitcoin address. And again, you can receive as native Bitcoin or as CKBTC. And then you can then use this Bitcoin inside of OpenChat. I think one of the best ways to use Bitcoin is the ability to DM it directly to other users. So let's go into our DMs here, and here's my other alt account. So we're going to send this account a little bit of Bitcoin. So we'll use the send Bitcoin command in here. Up at the top, we'll switch over to Bitcoin. We'll just send the max and send. So now we're actually DMing real Bitcoin inside of OpenChat. And because we're using the confirmation process built into ICP, it is way, way faster than ever doing anything on the native Bitcoin network. So this will go through and send, and there we go. We have now sent this Bitcoin to another user. Of course, you can do even more with Bitcoin. You can use Bitcoin for prize posts, you can do swap offers, and you can tip in Bitcoin too. So you can actually create an entire community with native Bitcoin integrations, which is really powerful for growing your community if it's built on Bitcoin. So that's just a little introduction to what you can do with Bitcoin inside of OpenChat. If you have feature requests or other ideas of how to use Bitcoin, please get in touch with the OpenChat team. We're always looking for ways to expand this functionality. Thanks, chat.